Hello friends. Welcome to your information channel. Let's get started. Today we are here to compare three leading air fryers on the market: the COSORI Turbo Blaze 6 liters, the Ninja Air Fryer Max and the Phillips Series 5000. These fryers offer various features and benefits, so let's explore key aspects such as energy consumption, capacity, ease of cleaning, usability, and price to help you make the best decision. COSORI Turbo Blaze. DC motor for outstanding energy efficiency. Large capacity of 6 liters, perfect for family dishes. Non-stick coating and dishwasher safe. It offers a 3-year warranty and a large online community. Ninja Air Fryer Max savings of up to 55% on your energy bill. Basket of just over 5 liters, suitable for family dishes. Dishwasher safe non-stick basket. 6 cooking functions for a variety of dishes and a 2-year warranty when you sign up with Ninja. Phillips Series 5000. Cooks up to 50% faster, saves up to 70% energy. 6L container for generous portions. Detachable parts dishwasher safe. 14 preset functions with touch screen. Includes an application with personalized recipes. In short, if you are looking for efficiency and versatility, the COSORI Turbo Blaze stands out with its DC motor technology, generous capacity, and extensive cooking options. Ideal for those who want a powerful and multifunctional fryer. For energy savings and family dishes, the Ninja Air Fryer Max excels with its energy efficiency and adequate capacity for family meals. Perfect for those concerned about energy consumption. Variety of functions and speed. The Phillips Series 5000 offers a wide range of functions and speed in cooking. Perfect for those looking for versatile options and quick results. We hope this comparison has helped you make a decision. You can learn more about these products in the description. Greetings.